Welcome to JHart Modelworks. It's time for another update on the Tamiya Nissan Fairlady 240ZG buddy build with Shawn. Welcome to my workbench. Let's get started. Hey guys, Justin here with JHart Modelworks. Like the intro said, I'm here with another update on the Tamiya 240ZG build that I'm doing with Shawn with the Scale Model Car Guy channel. Go ahead and check Shawn out if you're not subbed to him. Take a look at his last update. It's a couple of weeks back at least. He's been waiting on me to finish up. Definitely worth checking out. He's doing a fantastic job over there. I wanted to get this video out last weekend, but I just didn't get enough build time to get to a point where I had enough for an update, in my opinion. So I'm working on the interior right now. Everything is painted. Everything's in kind of sub-assemblies that are ready to go together. I'm just about to wrap up the interior, but before I get the interior fully assembled, I wanted to go ahead and give you guys some shots of some of the details before they go in. As you know, once it's all assembled, the interior is a little hard to see. So we're going to go ahead and get this camera flipped around and take a look at where we're at right now. Alright guys, and we are going to call that done for the interior. I do have to say I am pretty happy with how that turned out. Now in the seats, instead of using a black panel liner, which would have been way too harsh, I used Tamiya's brown. And it gives it just a bit of shadow in between all those little rolls without it, you know, being overbearingly black. It merges in with the orange better. We've got our flocking down. I'm pretty happy with the way the orange looks. I think the orange glove box was definitely the right call. Absolutely, I am very happy with this. I love the wood on the steering wheel. That turned out perfect. So we're making progress, boys. We're making progress. Alright, next steps from here, guys. Probably going to be to go ahead and get the glass in. And try to take care of all the little body details like door handles and trim and lights and things like that. That's going to be for the next video. Once the glass is in, we're also going to get some sun visors in place. which I modeled in Rhino and 3D printed. I'm going to go ahead and get these painted up. So once the glass goes in, you're going to have little areas where you're going to be able to see where it'll glued in. These little tabs. And I think that having sun visors sit over there is going to do a good job of hiding that for us. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get all that wrapped up and get to working on finishing off the body, getting the body on the chassis. And honestly, we should have this wrapping up pretty soon. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. As I mentioned, check out Shawn's channel. His link will be down in the description below. Doing some fantastic stuff over there. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Also, feel free to leave comments, feedback, critique, or anything else in the comment section below. I enjoy interacting with all my viewers in the comment section and try to reply to all the comments I receive. If you want to catch future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you click the bell notification icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. As always, thank you for watching, keep modeling, and have a great day.